Hey everyone, I hope you're having a great day. In today's compilation, we're going to watch 1 in a million moments in nature caught on camera. Stay until the end because the last one is just incredible.
Door closed, keep the door closed. Whoa!
I hope they're okay.
Where's Viv? Where's Viv? You good? You good? Oh my God. Jake, are you okay? Coming in. Get out of here.
Just looks like toy boats caught in a tsunami.
Allez, allez, allez! Oh là là! Woo!
Did she just casually outrun a disaster?
Oh là 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 là!
Hotel employees trying to hold doors open against powerful winds from a super typhoon. These moments go beyond human understanding. Nature is both beautiful and cruel at the same time. They managed to escape on a small boat from this sudden and terrifying wave.
Man, you are a big kangaroo. Oh, those are strong arms.
He went in for a handshake, but I think he had other intentions.
You're getting me a little bit closer than I want to be because you want to kick me.
Forget about solar panels after seeing this. Why is she just standing there?
Then my head hit the wall.
I'll never take the car again if there's a storm. May 31st, 2023. Alberta, Canada. Amazing landspout tornado caught on camera.
We should probably go downstairs.
Holy shit.
Oh my god. No way. No way.
Oh my god.
This turtle finally got caught by the laws of nature. That is probably the best catch of a comet with genuine human interaction that there will ever be. That's curiosity in its most natural form. They are way smarter than we give them credit for. Just appreciate. This underwater volcano exploded so violently that the shockwaves spread across the entire Pacific Ocean.
Holy shit!
My favorite part of winter, frozen ice ripples. Does he live next to a golf course? Why is this fire blue?
I'm okay.
My car's gone.
I'm okay. It's okay.
The everything's gone. It's all gone.
It's okay. It's okay.
Are your parents okay?
They're okay.
Was anybody in the gym?
It's okay. It's okay.
An incredible storm that caught these workers off guard. Dogs gotta go poop even during a tornado. A massive dust storm just swept through the city of Juquan. The day when darkness swallowed Turkey whole. van is gone. That tornado was running away.
If you look at the way that the wind's turning, it's going that way. Here, I'll chase it for you. Hold on. I observed this fucking tornado. Right here. It's gonna be fucking going. It's going through. Yeah. It's that way.
Can we get a report from inside?
Dude, it's fucking kicking in there.
The ocean never mixes. Can someone explain this?
Видно, как льется. Нигде дождя нет, а тут дождь. Видно? А тут хуярит дождь.
It's actually impossible to scroll past an Aurora Borealis video. Apparently, common sense was not in the family plans.
Ken, are you out? Ken, are you out?
A big tsunami can always come from nowhere.
Oh shit! Oh no! Oh God! Oh, Jesus fucking God! God!
Don't you just love these videos with no context? The power of nature. Is this real life? Just a random day in Portugal. Anything can happen in the sky these days. How can anyone deny what's right in front of them?
Oh my fucking god, there's a tornado. Holy shit. Holy fucking shit, boys.
What did it do?
Holy shit, I don't know. Get ready to run for the bathroom. Holy fucking shit, dude. Holy fucking shit, look! Look! Look, motherfucker, look! Right there, goddammit! It's coming for you!
This guy should do every tornado commentary. What a lovely day today. Wow, that's scary. It turned and went behind his home.
Watch out for the shock, it's coming. Holy smoking Toledos.
Nature is awesome. I love seeing the shockwave radiating outwards. This reminds humans just how strong nature really is.
Delicate city,
Oh my god!
crumbling houses, and smashing car after car.
They're all going down.
Tossing them like toys. It happened so fast, a torrential downpour, more than 8 inches of rain in just...
The monster storm slamming into Florida's panhandle. Winds at 155 miles an hour, just shy of a Category 5 hurricane. Watch as fierce winds tear apart this Panama City home. The storm finally passed through.
In Northern California, the campfire has grown even more deadly.
The car fire near Redding, now 20,000 acres.
I can't see the situation getting better. If anything, it's going to get...
The camera had been waiting for this for several decades.
Over the top! Over the top! Woo! We got a rumbler tumbler coming down the jungle. There goes the road. Yeah, boy! Woo! That's the good stuff right there.
That cloud looks like a king. I was taught to respect the ocean and to run to higher ground if I ever see waves that high.
You should come see.
Blending smooth lines and textures for modern architectural elegance. This impressive backing maneuver shows the sheer skill and precision of an experienced trucker. His dumplings are really cute. He created a machine that automatically targets a precise spot. Massive respect to this boss. His execution deserves a spot in this video. He's a man of the sea. He's got a really long arm, haha. She juggles like a champion. The precision behind this move is unprecedented. He's a real superhuman. He definitely deserves a raise. He actually made that shot using a bike. This guy is pretty funny, but honestly, I couldn't do what he does, so props to him. Repetition leads to perfection. Here's a great example. His creation is a pure work of art, magnificent. You no longer have an excuse not to train. An angelic jump. Who said women were weak? This one amazes me. I'm wide-eyed. This sensei has truly master-level abilities. This rare phenomenon is called lenticular clouds. Norway is one of the best places to see them. God really does create the most wonderful things, doesn't he? Earthquakes are no joke. Nature can be incredibly wild some days. Hope you all enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe, and good luck for tomorrow.